to the pastor. Keep going up the ladder. That mad make them matter. Told my son when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Pointers on me hit. Leave a
300 sauce back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing 5 things I love about my 2017 Chrysler 300S. Let's get into it. First thing I love about my Chrysler is this one has the SRT rear, excuse me, front fog lights. When driving at night, you can, push those on and off. Most 300s that I've seen don't have it. I actually messaged Chrysler and gave them a VIN number on the car. Excuse me, I got allergies. And my lights are SRT, the headlights are SRT, and the fog lights are SRT. Like when cutting on the car, you can see inside the headlight that bezel right there moves. And even when you cut it off, it moves. A lot of people are like, yeah, man, I've never seen that. So I just messaged Chrysler and asked them, what all do I have done to my car? And they said, basically my front end is SRT. So I thought that was pretty cool. Also, my rear, I can add into what I love about it too. My first is my headlights, but the rear is SRT too. I was able to change the rear valence to SRT with the 5-inch carbon tip, as you can see. I love that. That adds to the car so much. At first, I wasn't a big fan of it, only because I thought you had to take off the whole bumper and just do so much stuff. But I did my research, and me and Car Reviews with Foosh, we actually knocked that out in a couple hours, so that was pretty easy. Second thing I love about my car is how it came with the appearance package. So the appearance package has this, the rear spoiler. Not sure what else it has to it, but I just know the spoiler is definitely part of the appearance package. I've seen some that didn't have it. And the spoiler just, oh my gosh, that just, when the cars was stock, it just set it off. It made it look sporty. And I just love that spoiler. It's just, oh my gosh, that's just so beautiful to me. It's so beautiful to me. Third thing I love about my car is, oh, the other side, I love the trim that it has. So Chrysler said it was the S trim. Some people say it's the SRT. So I don't want to up badge my car or down badge my car. Sorry, it's a little dirty. But I got suede and leather seats, as you can see. Ventilated, of course. Ventilated and heated seats. I definitely love that. I got the S on there. So I do assume it's the S package or whatever, the S. I love like the steering wheel, the dash on it. It's different from other 300s, Also got the Beats audio. I got the panoramic sunroof. I just love the way the seats look. The seats grip you when you're driving it. You got it in sport mode. The rear is just, it's pretty nice too. Let me see. Cup holders. Also too, yeah, I got heated seats in the rear too. And got its own little cockpit in the back. You can charge phones. I also have the rear roof sun visor. I love that. That just makes it. I've only seen that in foreign cars, to be honest. I've seen it in some Kias and some Hondas, but mostly foreign cars. I feel like I got the complete package with with the car. So next thing I like about my car is destroy your gray, baby. Destroy your gray. When I saw this color, I just knew I had to get it. I seen this color when I bought it in, I didn't buy this I bought this in Arizona, but when I bought it or looked at it, it was in Peoria, Arizona. I saw a car like this. This was a 5.7. It was just the alloy edition, so it had alloy accents, alloy emblems, alloy wheels. It just, everything alloy. It was a 5.7. It was a 19. And it was nice. Don't get me wrong, it was nice, but they wanted too much for it. But the Destroyer Gray definitely catches people's eyes. It catches my eyes. Some just told me, yeah, you got to get this car. So, only thing that I kind of regret getting and having to paint is maintaining the paint. I was in Texas and Arizona, military, and it's hot out there, so it dries up my paint. It really dried up my paint, and I wasn't too into keeping it maintained. But now I live in Washington, so it isn't as hot here, and I wax it twice every season, so 4 seasons in a year if I'm not mistaken, and I just wax it twice every season, and it keeps the paint, you know, keeps it nice. I wash it with microfiber rags. I don't use regular rags. I just take care of it, and try to keep it in the garage from the sun, rain. I definitely love the color. The color, it stands out like so much. I just love it. Next thing I love about my car is the front grille. A lot of people don't like the front grille. I love it. I love it. If you look on the 05 to 010, which is the first gen of the 300s, it was like a Bentley, you know. It was a big Bentley, you know, grille and whatnot. I mean, I liked it, but I like this one. This one's interchangeable too. I've seen people take them out and plasti dip them, and you can do so much with the grills. Car Reviews with Fushi actually got me into that, you know, messing with the grill. I never wanted to mess with it. I just thought it was too much, but he showed me everything, and it's really easy. I could just pop that out, and I think I'm gonna get a powder coated, like a gloss black. As you can see, it's kind of chipping on the emblem. So I'm going to pull that out, take the emblem off. I'm gonna wrap the emblem in Destroyer Gray and dip the whole grille like a gloss black, or even spray paint. I'm gonna find some that's quality and do all that, and I think that's gonna set it off. That is gonna add a little oomph to it, you know. Also too, last and final thing I love about my car is the lane assist. I think that's what it's called. As you can see, when you turn, or when you're about to get over to the lane in a car, I think if a car is like at your back tire, or you know, somewhere from your back tire, and that way it'll let you know. And that really, that saved my life so many times from getting hit and not seeing people. And on the lane assist switch is if I'm not mistaken, that little one right there is for motorcycles, and that one's just for cars. So I love that. That oh my gosh, that really, I like it. It came with everything. That's why I love this car, because it came with literally everything. Everything I wanted in a luxury sport car. It had it all. And I was just so lucky to find this car. The dude that had it before me, he actually worked for Chrysler. He leased it, and he said that they basically told him to build a car however you want it, you know, not build it, but order a car however you want it. And he ordered it. It was all stock, you know. I did everything to it myself, but he got the Destroyer Gray. He did the SRT front headlights, the front fog lights. It came with the S model appearance package. He did. Most Chryslers that I've seen don't have everything I have. I have literally the complete package. I got the Beats audio. I got the heated and ventilated seats, the heated rear seats. I got what is it? The lane assist. Only thing that it didn't come with on the other 300 I was looking at, the 2019 S model alloy edition, it had the adaptive cruise control on that. That's the only thing that I didn't have, was adaptive cruise control. So that, I think that was like a $5,000 option, or somewhere 4,000, 5,000. So I'm definitely glad I didn't do that. I mean, I don't cruise, I race this car, so you know, that's why I didn't really need it. But this car literally came with everything, so I was so happy that, you know, it's everything I wanted in a car. So let me know what y'all think, you know. Let me know what y'all have done in y'all 300s, 5 things y'all like, or just let me know anything, you know. Comment, subscribe, and like, and help me get this YouTube channel where I need it to be. Appreciate it.